Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Misa-Fernandez and we are back for another round of favorites for the months of December and January. Now I know this video is a little late. It is now the middle of January 2019, which makes this the first video of the year for me. Happy New Year! But I've decided to rest during the holidays and really just not work at all and spend time with family and friends. And it was the best decision ever because I just feel so rested right now and it's back to work for me. And I have Tristan with me now who will be assisting me as I show you my favorite products for the months of December and January. Alright, so let's get to it. These are my favorites for the month of December and January. Okay, so for the first item, this is a belt bag from Clare V. So I opened it already. It actually looks like this. And it is the cutest thing. It is made of snakeskin leather and it has like two leather strips here in front, which just looks so cool. I love the orange and the black. And it's a belt bag, like I said, and this is just the cutest. You can fit quite a number of items here, of course, only the essentials. You can fit your cell phone, your lipstick, and your wallet, maybe a small card holder. And yeah, this is perfect. Actually, I'm excited because I'll be going to the beach tomorrow and I want to wear this along with like a nice dress and just be hands-free. And this is perfect for mommies who want to be hands-free and don't want to carry a lot of stuff with her. Maybe just a diaper bag, but then all the essentials are in here. And I love this. I got this from Shop Stellin, which is an online store here in the Philippines, and they carry quite a number of beautiful items. And one of the brands they carry is Clare V, which is a brand that I really love. And yeah, this is just a pretty bag that holds the essentials, and it is made of snakeskin, and it has a leather strap that goes around your waist, and of course it's adjustable, so it is meant to fit all waistlines. And I think this is the cutest bag. I'm not sure if this is the smallest bag I own. It might be one of the smallest. I love that it holds a lot in here. Let me show you. Okay, so I have my essentials with me. This is my iPhone. And of course, I'm using a case by OtterBox, which is so cute. And I have my mini planner. This is from Moleskine. And every year, I just get this size and I just write my life in it. This is a weekly planner. And I have my wallet from Louis Vuitton, and it just opens up and it's pink inside. That's the reason why I love it so much. And it just fits everything in here. So let's see what fits inside. Let me put my wallet in here. So I have to put it lying down. The planner, which I bring with me everywhere. It's just my life is written there, like all my plans. And I have my phone, and it just fits. And there's still space here for maybe a lipstick or a compact mirror. And yeah, it just fits everything. So let me just close it. It's a bit tight, so I have to put it there. And yeah, it fits everything. It is so compact and small. And the best thing is that you're hands-free because this goes on your waist. This is just so cute. Actually, it goes with my outfit. I love it. But yeah, let me wear it later. Love this. Okay, so the next item on my list are a pair of shoes, and these are just so pretty. These are Nike Cortezes, and it was love at first try for me when I fit them. I was at Capital when I fit them, and I was just blown away by how soft it was and how comfortable they were. I tried out a lot of different brands that day, and this one was the winner for me. This is super comfortable and soft, and it's just like, it just feels like you're walking on clouds. Seriously. It's so funny. When I got home, I immediately showed this to my husband and I was raving about it, and I was like, did you know that the Nike Cortez shoes are just so comfortable? And he was like, yes, a lot of people know that and they've been around for a very long time, and you're a little late in the game. But just in case you don't know it and you haven't tried it for yourself, I really recommend it. It's just so soft and comfortable, and it just looks so cute. It looks so good. I got this. This one is in all suede, It's an all suede, and it's in like a beige, light beige or light gray color, and it has like gold all around it, like here and here. And I think they just look so good on your feet, and I just can't stop raving about them. If you don't have one in your closet, you need one. They are so comfortable and you won't regret it, and they just look good with everything, I think. Okay, so next on my list is the La Mer Genaissance skincare range. These are just the most amazing things. And wait, I have an eye cream here, and this is from the Genaissance skincare line, and I'm absolutely loving this. Actually, I use this one every single day, and this is Creme de la Mer, and this is the original formula. But this one, this particular one, the Genaissance line, this is more lightweight, and I think it's more suited to our tropical climate. This one is good for really dry weather, dry climate, when it's super cold, and when you travel, this is perfect. But it can be a little bit thicker on the skin, especially for the Philippines. They are great. They're so lightweight, and they kind of just disappear into your skin, but then it leaves it very moisturized and plump. And oh, I just can rave about this all day. And I love how moisturized my skin looks after, and it has like a firming effect. So whatever sagging or maybe fine lines you have, it kind of like brings back the youthfulness of your skin, if that is your problem, and it just keeps it moisturized the entire time. So I just use this at night, and when I wake up in the morning, like, my skin is perfect. Like, I don't need to put anything on it anymore. I just use it once a day, and sometimes I use this underneath my makeup just to keep my skin moisturized, because usually when I put makeup on, my skin gets dry. If you have this under, if it is La Mer, of course, then it will keep your skin moisturized. And yeah, I just love it. It is just the most amazing skincare range, and I'm just so happy to rediscover it this 2019. So next up are these travel accessories from Wonder Sky. These are just so cute. I love luggage covers just because they protect your luggage, and I always travel, so I like to keep my luggage protected, and I'd like to see it from afar when it's going around the carousel. I'd like to spot it right away, because my bags are black and gray, and they're just so plain, and people tend to mistake them for their bags, and this helps prevent that. If you can see here, the design is a jeepney, which is so cute. I love this, and this is for size small bag. So this is how it looks. And I got this other one. This is the design, and it kind of has like a beachy vibe, which I love. And this is for my medium bag. This is just so cute. This is called Cheeky Chicas, and I think this is perfect for the beach. I'm going to use this tomorrow. This is for my medium-sized luggage. And this is a reversible one. This has world postcards and a mint green cover. So this is like a 2-in-1 luggage cover. And yeah, I have other stuff too, like this premium eye mask. I love that it is made of this nice material that kind of protects your eyes and keeps the light out. There. Oh yeah, it's very comfortable, and there's kind of like space inside, so if you're wearing like falsies or if you have mascara on, it won't ruin your makeup. And this is perfect for travel, I think. And it has that Wonder Sky over here. And last but not the least, I also got this travel adapter from Wonder Sky, and I think this is so important when you travel, especially when you have so many gadgets with you and you need to charge. And yeah, it's suitable for Australia, USA, UK, EU, and it has 2 USBs, so this is perfect. It is suitable for traveling around the world. Perfect. So next up are the suction power hooks from Feka, and these are so cute. They come in so many different colors, and yeah, they are reusable. They're easy to use actually. No drilling, no nails, and it has like a firm suction power, and it is adjustable and reusable. Portable, you can take it with you anywhere, and it's also waterproof. So this is how it looks. This is so cute. And it is like a hook. It has like a powerful suction suctioning power over here, and it just holds your heavy stuff. Like you can put your bag here, you can put maybe your coat or jacket. And yeah, I didn't think that I needed this before until I saw it, and I saw how cute the colors are, and they just give like a pop of color to an otherwise boring room. And I love that you can just use it anywhere, and if you're sick of it, then you can just move it somewhere else. And I actually use this for the inside of my closet, and everything just looks so neatly lined up and organized, and it's just so colorful. I love how colorful they are and how fun they are. So these are from Feka. Okay, so next up are these reusable stand-up storage bags from Zippy's, and yeah, they come in 3 sizes, and I got all of them. And these are actually made of a nice material. It's food safe, freezer safe. You can put anything inside. Actually, you can put your makeup inside, you can put food inside, and the best part is you can reuse it so many times, and this saves you from using hundreds of plastic bags. And yeah, this is perfect actually, because this prevents you from using plastic that is of course bad for the environment. And yeah, they're perfect for storing food, for storing travel items, home organization, and more. And okay, so this is actually food safe. It is made of PEVA material, and this is PVC free, lead free, and BPA free. So this is called Zippy's, and they actually stand up. Like, they have this under part, and they can actually stand up on their own. Yeah, it just keeps your food fresh. It has like a double lock system that's easy to use actually, and it just keeps everything fresh and safe inside. Okay, and next up is this one from Aesop. This is actually my travel essential. This is Ginger Flight Therapy. This is made of ginger root, lavender, and geranium, and it just smells so good. And the best part is, if you're nauseous in the plane or whenever you travel, you just like put this in your temples, or you just kind of smell it, or just put it here behind your ears, and it just helps immensely. It helps relax you, and it just smells so good, and it takes the dizziness away, really. I think the ginger root really helps. And yeah, you just roll it on your neck, your temples, your wrist. It smells so good and relaxing, and it kind of calms you down and relaxes you. Now, I really wish there was a way for you to smell it right now. It just smells so good. And this is from Aesop, and I got it from My Goodies for Less, and she is kind of like my go-to person when it comes to ordering stuff from Australia. And as you know, Aesop is available in Australia, so all my Aesop favorites I get through her, because she's able to ship it back here to Manila and for a much cheaper price. Usually when I order online, I just give her details, her address, it gets sent to her, and she sends it directly to my house. And she is just one of the go-to persons I use whenever I order anything from Australia. So that's My Goodies for Less. So as you know, for my November favorites, I featured a Tom Ford perfume. This month, well, for the month of December and January, I'm featuring another one just because it just smells so good. And this is another Tom Ford fragrance. This is called Jasmine Rouge. So this smells so good. It has a nice jasmine scent. It's very flowery and clean, but it's also on the sophisticated side. I don't know how they were able to make jasmine very sophisticated and very sexy. So I absolutely love the scent of jasmine, and this is it. This is one of my favorite jasmine scents, probably my most favorite ever, just because it smells so sophisticated, but at the same time still clean and flowery. So this is just so feminine and sexy, and it just has that nice flowery scent, but it's also still very clean. And yeah, I absolutely love it. Okay, so next is a limited edition collaboration by Kiehl's and American visual artist AndrewBannecker. And for the holidays, he redesigned our favorite best-selling products from Kiehl's, and they just look so cute. And it's just for the holidays. I mean, how cute is this, right? And he has his name there, Bannecker. And Yeah, I love it. And it just looks so festive. Okay, so the Ultra Facial Cream looks like this now. So cute, right? And the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. It has his designs there. And of course, our favorite Midnight Recovery Concentrate looks like this. So nice, right? And this is just for the holidays, but I think this is still available at all your Kiehl's stores. This is so exciting. So cute. Okay, so next up are
a green box. My shoes.
Okay, so next up are shoes for Tristan from Crocs. Okay? Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. These are the cutest. These are definitely the cutest. So in case you didn't know, you can actually put the name of your kids on their Crocs. So this is actually so adorable. It says Tristan. And does it fit you, Tris?
Yeah.
In case you're unaware of how Crocs are designed, they're designed like this. This is like, they're like clogs, and they have this part here to keep the foot secure. But you can also put it up here in case your child just wants to use it as like slides. These are actually called gibbets, and you can put them on your Crocs. So I think this is also available for adults and for kids. So for kids, this is how it looks, and it's so cute. It says Tristan. And apart from that, I also have Crocs for myself, and this is how it looks. I did not get clogs like Tristan. No, we're not gonna be matchy-matchy, but I got like some nice slides for everyday use, and these are actually super comfortable. I actually tried this already. These are really super comfortable, and they're lightweight. They're super light, and they're made out of like a lightweight... Yeah, and they're actually made of a lightweight material, and yeah, they're really great for walking. So yeah, and I got another pair too. Okay, so this I'll actually be using to the beach tomorrow, and these are like lightweight sandals, and they are in such a pretty color and super light. They're called LiteRide by Crocs, and they're so soft and comfortable. Okay, so next on my list of favorites is this blusher from Bobbi Brown. There you go, Bobbi Brown, and this is just such a gorgeous shade of pink. So I love this particular shade because it's illuminating, but at the same time it's a nice shade of pink. It's not really pink, but on the brownish pink, which suits our morena skin. And apart from that, I also got this Luxe liquid lip in a nice red color. Should I try it now? Yes. So it just looks like this. It has an applicator like this, and this is like a bluish red, I think, which suits all skin tones. Oh wow. Oh wow, it's such a nice shade of red. It has blue undertones, so it just gives a pop of color. I absolutely love it. It's actually easy to apply. Usually red lipsticks are hard to apply, but since it's a liquid lipstick, it's just so easy to apply. Like, I was able to like put it in a few seconds. So this is actually a high shine liquid lipstick, and the color is Red the News 8. Why didn't I wear this earlier? I love this. So there you have it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye.